Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best Bluetooth FM transmitter for car in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitter for car that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.1 FM transmitter. Suppose you want the best FM Bluetooth transmitter with a minimalist effect. In that case, the car adapter from Syncwire is an excellent choice. This device is affordable and supports Bluetooth 5.1. You get fast pairing across a range of devices. 0.2 USB ports support charging 2 devices simultaneously. You get a high-speed and convenient charging experience. The built-in noise suppression feature helps in reducing external noise and offers good quality for hands-free calling. An exclusive button on the device lets you answer, hang up, reject, and move your call from hands-free to handset and vice versa. Furthermore, the exclusive bass key and surrounding blue LED lights pulsing with rhythm will make your stereo juicier than ever. You will feel the depth of music that you had never experienced in your ride before. Lastly, this device allows you to connect your smartphones and tablets, both Android and Apple, an MP3 player to your car. Moving on at number 4, we have the LENCENT wireless radio adapter that if you find yourself talking on the phone too often while driving, the LENCENT T25 is the best wireless Bluetooth FM in 2023. This device comes with echo cancellation and noise suppression technology, offering high-quality, uninterrupted calling. Not only this, but with this device, you can stream music on the stereo of your ride via Bluetooth, microSD card, and USB. The device does not have a large display screen, but it does come equipped with 2 USB ports offering safe and fast charging. The built-in protection features keep you safe from short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and several other incidents. In addition, hands-free calling ensures you get all important calls while driving. The voice navigation also provides you to get to your destination quickly. Furthermore, the device's small display showcases the car battery voltage when plugged in. Also, the ambient blue light around this device provides easy usage. Lastly, this Bluetooth device is highly compatible with most smartphones and other electronic devices. It will automatically pair up to the previous Bluetooth devices as soon as you power it. At number 3, we have the UNBREAKcable FM Transmitter. UNBREAKcable offers one of the best sound quality Bluetooth FM transmitters for cars in 2023. This device comes with a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip that offers a stable connection for streaming music, handling calls, and faster connection with compatible devices. There is a built-in microphone, support for intelligent voice navigation streaming from your phone, and handling calls with one button. This wireless Bluetooth adapter also features 2 USB ports that charge your devices about 4 times faster than standard chargers. In addition, the FM transmitter comes with built-in overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, overheat protection, and short-circuit protection. Furthermore, you get a powerful bass that ensures you can enjoy your music much better. You can even get sound effects by pressing the button B on the device. This user-friendly joystick controller is easy to install and operate. You can use it with a wide range of devices. Lastly, with this purchase, you get 36 months warranty and lifetime support. At number 2, we have the in-car wireless Bluetooth radio adapter. Suppose you want to have a high-quality music streaming experience while you drive. In that case, this product from Guanda Technologies is for you. This product has 4 audio transmissions, Bluetooth, AUX, TF card, and U-Disc. It has an advanced 1.8 digital colorful LCD that will indicate the name of your Bluetooth connection, FM stations, car voltage, music spectrums, and more. There is also a 360-degree rotating flexible gooseneck that gives you better access to the device. This transmitter can play MP3, WMA, FLAC files, and more. You can enjoy 5 hi-fi stereo noble and elegant EQ music modes at your will.in edition. With this Tune FM transmitter, you can tune into the same frequency as your car FM radio on a blank channel. Furthermore, the one-click hands-free calling makes your drive more comfortable than ever. It also comes with noise suppression technology and echo cancellation that gives you disruption-free voice calls. You also get straightforward voice navigation and hi-fi stereo music, making your next driving trip safer and cozier. This device comes with 2 USB ports, built-in current protection, overvoltage protection, short-circuit protection, and intelligent temperature control that ensures safe charging. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nulaxy wireless in-car Bluetooth FM transmitter. The best Bluetooth transmitter you can buy for your car is Nulaxy KM18. This product comes with a 1.44 LCD screen that displays information like phone calls, FM channels, music info, car battery voltage, and more. The device is equipped with Bluetooth version 5.0 technology, providing a more stable and faster connection without any disconnection issues. That flexible gooseneck gives this wireless radio adapter an adjustable viewing angle and optimal viewing comfort. In addition, Nulaxy gives you its noise cancellation technology that buries down the road noise and gives you clear and crisp sound. You will get noise and hands-free music streaming and call handling. In addition, with one button, you can answer, reject, hold, and recall. Furthermore, an additional voice control feature ensures safe driving without any distractions or requirements to take your hands off the steering. Lastly, this FM transmitter with Bluetooth is highly compatible with most vehicles and devices in the market. You can connect it to devices like iPad, iPhone, iPod, MP3 player, Sony, and more via Bluetooth, TF card, and AUX cable.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.